Mysterious Mars, written by Susan Lennox. Focus question. What have scientists learned about Mars? Introduction. Long ago, ancient people saw a bright red light in the sky. The Romans named this red light Mars. After the God of War, the name stuck, and we still use it today for the fourth planet in our solar system. Gazing from afar, ancient astronomers wondered what made Mars red. What made Mars red? Astronomers in the 1800s studied the planet through early telescopes. They found that Mars had polar ice caps just as Earth did. Part of the Mars also covered with long lines that looked like webs of waterways. An Italian astronomer who discovered these lines in 1877 called them channels. Channels are natural waterways. People thought that astronomers said he saw canals. Canals are waterways built by people. The mix-up led people believe that intelligent beings built canals on Mars. Where the channels on Mars really color had held water, and why was Mars red? Scientists have many questions about the planet. Taking a closer look, in 1960s, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA) began the Maria mission to answer these questions. The Maria 4 spacecraft traveled to Mars to keep close-up pictures. The pictures showed that the canals were crayons. The Mariner 9 spacecraft shows that Mars has valleys and volcanoes. One of the most volcanoes is the largest on any planet in our solar system. It is 26 kilometers, 16 miles, and 500 kilometers, 311 miles wide at its base. It is 3 times as tall as Mount Everest. Scientists also learned that the atmosphere on Mars is much thinner than Earth. It can't filter the sun's harmful rays the way Earth's atmosphere can. Mars is also very cold, with average temps of minus 63 degrees Celsius, minus 81 degrees Fahrenheit. This has explained why the surface of Mars is so dry. Water freezes or evaporates in the dry, cold air of Mars. The dry soil, the lack water because heavy dust storms on large areas of the planet. In 1976, the Viking 2 rover landed on Mars and took examples of the surface. It sent information back to scientists on Earth. The scientists learned that the rusty red color was due to large amount of iron, a metal in the soil. Viking also reported no signal of organic matter, the remains of living things. Mars seemed to be a dry, desert planet. Scientists were still plus though. Canyons on Earth are formed by running waters. Mars looked like Earth without waters. In 1997, Mars pathfinders also find rocks that seem to have been shaped by water. Could Mars have had water long ago? Looking for answers. In 2003, the European Space Agency (ESA) launched the Mars Express. This spacecraft would orbit Mars and collect information about the planet. Just 1 month after arriving at Mars, Mars Express found ice at planet's south pole. This meant there was water on Mars. For the next several years, the Mars Express studies the planet's south pole. In July 2018, European scientists said they had found a saltwater lake underneath about 2 kilometers (1 mile) of ice on the surface of Mars. They think this lake is 20 kilometers (12 miles) wide. Scientists think there may be other lakes too that might even contain life. In 2012, yeah, no. In 2012, NASA's the Curiosity rover to Mars. Curiosity tests samples of the soil air on Mars. The air samples contain a gas called methane. On Earth, tiny living things are called microbes make methane. Scientists wondered if the same might be true on Mars. Scientists can't say for sure if life really did or does exist on Mars. More Mars missions are planned for 2020 and beyond. This mission will send rovers to look for signs of life. They will also gather information to see if it might be possible for people to someday live there. Perhaps one day Mars will be inhabited by intelligent beings from Earth. Wow.